Keep your shirt on. Understanding patience in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we're exploring a colorful expression, keep your shirt on. It's a phrase that pops up in conversations more often than you'd think, and understanding it can add a fun layer to your English communication skills. So, let's unravel the mystery together and find out what it really means to keep your shirt on. The phrase, keep your shirt on, is an idiomatic expression used to tell someone to calm down, be patient, or not to rush. It has nothing to do with clothing literally, but is a metaphorical way of asking someone to chill out and wait a little longer. The origin of this phrase is a bit murky, but it's believed to have come from the old days when people might literally start undressing to fight or show they were getting heated up. So, telling someone to keep their shirt on was a way to prevent escalation. Now that we know what it means, let's see it in action. Here are a few examples. 1. In a moment of impatience, imagine someone is getting frustrated because they're waiting for their turn to speak. You might say, "Hey, keep your shirt on. You'll get your chance to talk." 2. When someone is rushing, if a friend is hurrying you out the door, you could say, "Keep your shirt on. We have plenty of time before we need to leave." 3. To calm down, in a heated discussion, telling someone to keep their shirt on is a way to diffuse the tension. It's like saying, "Let's take a step back and cool down." It's important to know when and with whom to use this phrase. Keep your shirt on is informal and best used in casual conversations among friends or family. It might not be appropriate in formal settings or with people you're not close to, as it can be perceived as rude or too casual. And there you have it, folks. Keep your shirt on is a quirky, fun way to remind someone to slow down and take it easy. Like many idioms in English, it enriches our conversations with nuance and color. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in your English-speaking adventures. Remember, learning a language is all about patience, so in a way, we're all keeping our shirts on together. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.